Okay, my dear learners, I think we are still together. So stop what you are doing. Please concentrate, write neatly. Make sure that you have a ruler, you have a pen, you have a pencil. Your work looks nicer. Now let us continue with our number bases. Then from there we have been expanding them. I think now you are an expert when it comes to expanding number bases. Then here we are going to change from a non-decimal base to base 10. Now what I have to tell you is what we call a non-decimal base. These are other bases right from base 2 to base 9. Then base 10, it is also called a decimal base. So it is a decimal base. So other bases that are not base 10, we call them non-decimal bases. Now let us see how can we change from these non-decimal bases to base 10. Here we are. We are having 1010 base 2. So we want to change these groups of 2's into one number, one digit of 10, meaning that which number was grouped into 2 to give us these groups, meaning that this is 0 and once we had no remainder, then we had one group of 2, then we had no groups of 2 2's, then we had one group of 2 2 2's. Then when we open all those groups, which number are we going to get from there? So that's what we are going to do. Now what you have to keep in your head, when we are changing from non-decimal base, we are going to use the idea of expanding number bases. That's why we started from there. And when we are expanding number bases, we said we give place values, then after we multiply. I repeat, we are going to expand, but as we are expanding, we have to know how to give place values, giving powers. After giving powers, then we are going to multiply. It's very simple. Let's get started. So it is 1 0 1 0. This is counting system of 2. So this is 2 power 0, then this 2 power 1, then this one is 2 power 2, and then this one is 2 power 3. Then we are going to expand. Now it's going to be 1 times 2 power 3, then plus 0 times 2 power 2, then plus 1 times 2 power 1, then plus, we come here, 0 times 2 power 0. Then after expanding that, we are going now to multiply. So this first bracket, it is 1 times 2, which is power 3. It means that this 2 is going to be multiplied by 3. That is, it's going to be multiplied 3 times, that's 1 times 2 times a 2 times a what? A 2. Then plus, this is 0 times 2 times 2, because it is power what? Power 2. Then plus, because of the space, then plus, we are now going to have this one, which is 1 times 2, because it is power 1. Then plus a 0, this bracket here, times a 2, which is power 0, but now guess what? We are not going to use a 2. Then I'm rubbing this 2. What are we going to put? We are going to put a 1. My dear learner, I want you to get that concept. Any number to power is 0, it is always a what? A 1. I repeat, any number to power 0 is a 1. Now, after doing this, we are now going to open our brackets carefully. You have to be attentive and see what we are doing. So, this is 1 times 2. So 1 times 2, what do we get? We get a 2. So 2 times 2, what are we getting? We are getting a 4. Then that 4 times this 2, what's that answer? The answer becomes 8. Then plus, then 0 times 2, that is 0, because it's nothing. So nothing times 2, you get nothing. So that nothing still times 2, we get nothing. So we get a 0. Then plus 1 times 2, we get a 2. Then this is 0 times 1, or this is nothing times 1. What are we getting? We are getting a 0. Therefore, what are we going to do? We are going to add. So 8 plus 0, it is 8. That 8 plus 2, it is 8, 9, 10. We get 10. So 10 plus 0, we get 10. So finally, our answer is 10 base 10, because we are told to convert this number, our number here, to convert this number from this to base 10. Now we are going to look at another example. Now let us look at another example. Please, what I want you to do is to space your work, to write neatly. My chalkboard is not big enough, but I think I'm sure your book is bigger than my chalkboard, so I want you to space that work, to write it nicely and neatly. Now let us look at this second example. It is now 1 1. Let me rewrite it here. It's now a 1 1 0 2 base what? Base 3. So what are we going to do? We are going to first give place to give powers. This is base 3 0, because we are in counting system of 3. This is 3 power 1. Then this one is going to be 3 power 2, and then this one is going to be 3 power 3. So now we are going to expand. So it's going to be 1 times 3 power 3, that's 1, this one with this. Then we are coming to this one here, so it is going to be, let me open my bracket here, 1 times 3 power 2, then plus the other 0 is going with 3 power 1, then plus 2 times 3 power 0. Now we are going to open the brackets. So this is 1 times 3, how many times? 3 times. Then that bracket, then plus 1 times 3, how many times? 2. Then 0 times how many? 3 times 3, how many times? 1. Then here plus 2 times 3. Do we write 3? No, we don't write 3. Why? Because this 3 is to power a 0. So we said any number to power 0 becomes a what? A 1. So times a 1. Then from here, 1 times this 3, we get 3. 3 times 3, 9. Then 9 times 3, what's that one? 9 times 3 is giving us 27. Then plus 1 times 3 is a 3. 3 times 3, it's a 9. Then plus 0 times 3, we get nothing, because 0 is nothing. So plus 2 times 1, we get a 2. Now we are going to add. Now 27 plus 9, what's that? 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, and 36. Now that 36 we've obtained, add there a 0. What do we get? We remain with 36. Then 36 plus 2, 36, 37, 38. Therefore we get 38 base what? Base 10. So don't forget to put the base. Lastly, we are going to look at this. This one, it's a 1 2 2 0 base 5. So I'm going to start from here. So this is 5 power is 0. Then this one is going to be 5 power 1. Then this one is going to be 5 power 2. Then this one is going to be 5 power 3. Then after giving them the powers, we are going to expand. That is 1 times 5 power 3. Then plus 2 times 5 power 2. Then plus 2 times 5 power 1. Then plus 2 plus this is 5 2 this is power 0, then power 1, then power 2, then power 3. Yes, then 2 times sorry, not 2, this one now it's going to be a 0, because we finished all the 2's. So this one is going to be, let me rub it, So let me rub it. So it's going to be, let me open my bracket again. So it is now 0 times 5 power 0. Then we are now expanding this. Let me start it from here. I think you are following. You have to be attentive and see. So this is 1 times 5 times 5 times 5. 3 times, because it is 5 power 3. Then plus this is 2 times 5 times 5. Then plus, because my chalkboard is stopping here, then I'm bringing this bracket here, just here. That is 2 times 5, because it is power 1. So then plus 0 times 1. Why? Because any number to power 0 is 1. Now let us multiply. 1 times 5, we get a 5. 5 times 5, that is 25. Then 25 times 5, that one's a big number. Let me multiply it from here, my side work. Then 5 times 5, we get 25. We take this one to next place value, 2. 5 times 5, a 10. 10 plus 2, we get 12. So all of this bracket here, it is giving us 125. Then plus 2 times 5, that is 10. 10 times 5, automatically it is a 50. Then plus 2 times 10, that is a 10. Then nothing times 1, or 0 times 1, we get 0. Now we are adding. This one is so big, so I'm going to add it from here, to do it from here. My side work, I'm going to have the side work here, which is going to be 125 plus 50 plus 10 and 0. So we are adding 5 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0, we have 5. 2 plus 5, 7, plus this one, 8. 1 plus 0 plus 0, we have a 1. So the answer becomes 185 in the counting system of 10. Thank you for being a good learner. Please, I urge you to keep that book safe and do all the assignments that have been given. So stay tuned, wait for the next lesson, which is coming soon. I wish you well. Thank you for being a good learner. Please keep home to avoid